my YouTube channel Maths Class. Today we are going to solve the question of exercise 1.4 question number 1, that is, without actually performing the long division, state whether the following rational number will have a terminating decimal expansion or a non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. So let's friend solve this question with very fantastic solution. So watch this full video. The first question is 13 by 3125. First we have to show in a rational number implies that Sankaram P by Q is equal to 13 by 3125. Now we have to find the prime factor of denominator. Now prime factor of Q, that is QB. 3125 is equal to 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, implies that 5 to the power 5. Since Q is in the form of 2 to the power 0 into 5 to the power 5. Now अब हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 2 to the power 3 से. Now multiplying by 2 to the power 3 in both sides. In numerator we get numerator and denominator we get 13 into 2 to the power 5 upon 5 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 5, implies that 13 into 32 upon we write this, हम इसे लिख सकते हैं 2 into 5 to the power 5, implies that 416 upon 10 to the power 5. If we divide this, we get 0.00416, implies that this is terminating decimal. Now the second question is 17 by 8. इसको भी हम पहले जैसे करेंगे, implies that P by Q is equal to 17 by 8. Now the prime factor of quotient, the prime factor of QB, 2 into 2 implies that 2 का cube. Now multiplying by 5 to the power 3 in numerator and denominator we get, implies that 17 into 5 to the power 3 upon 8 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 3, implies that 17 into 125 upon 10 to the power 3. If we multiply 17 into 125 is equal to 2125 upon 10 to the power 3. If we divide this, we get 2.125. So implies that this is a This is terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. Now the third question is 64 by 455. Since we write in a rational number that is 4 by cube, implies that 64 by 454. Now we find the prime factor of 455. Then the prime factor of QB. Q is equal to 455 is equal to 5 into 7 into 30. Since Q is, यहाँ पे हम देख रहे हैं Q जो है 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n के रूप में नहीं है, इसलिए हम कह सकते हैं कि यह नॉन रिपीटिंग डेसिमल प्लेस है. देन Q is not in the form of 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n. So it is repeating decimal. Just like 1, 2, 3, also you do 4th and 5th question. Now we do 6th question, that is 23 upon 2 to the power 1, 5 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, just like 1st, 2nd and 3rd question, you can also do the 4th and 5th. Now we solve the 6th question, that is 23 upon 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 2. So this is in the rational number, so we can now show them in a rational number. P by Q implies that 23 upon 2 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 2. Now multiplying by 5 to the power 1 in numerator and denominator, we get implies that 23 into 5 upon 2 into 5 to the power 3 is equal to 5 3 is 15, 1, 5 to 10, 11, 115. Now 10 to the power 3 implies that 0.115. So we can say that it is terminating decimal. Now the 7th question is 129 upon 2 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 129 by 2 to the power 2, 5 to the power 7 and 7 to the power 5. So this question is also non-terminating repeating decimal because it has 7 to the power 5, that is not in the form of 2 to the power m and 5 to the power n. So we can say that it is non-terminating decimal number. So thank you friend, please subscribe my channel and also share with your friend.